Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. 5 Steps to starting a successful Google AdWords campaign. Does working a couple hours a day at home on your computer and making thousands a month sound appealing to you? Well, there are people who are doing just that by using Google AdWords and loving it. They have more time to do the things they really enjoy in life. What they all learned is to work smarter, not harder. What is Google AdWords? Whenever you conduct a search using Google, you will see a list of search results. These are displayed for free. In addition, you will see sponsored links displayed at the right of the search results and sometimes displayed at the top of the results. These are paid advertisements. The AdWord advertisements are pay-per-click, which means the person advertising pays Google every time someone clicks on their advertisement. People are using Google AdWords, a pay-per-click program, to market their own website and products. In addition, many people are also using it even if they do not own a website. They use it to promote and market affiliate programs. The benefit to using AdWords is that you can get instant traffic to your site. Following are 5 Steps to starting a successful Google AdWords campaign. Step 1 Gain basic knowledge. Before you attempt to start making money with AdWords, you first need to educate yourself. You need to understand how AdWords and pay-per-clicks work. Google has an informative site that provides demos and guides to learn the basics of how it works on their web page. There are also numerous ebooks on the topic. However, make sure that the authors are credible, experienced, and professional experts. These experts share a wealth of information, tips, strategies. Step 2 Open a Google AdWords account. After you understand how Google works, then you are ready to open a Google AdWords account. Google has minimal costs to get started. Google will take you through several steps in setting up your account. Step 3 Write a creative text ad. You will need to create your ad. The purpose of the ad is to get as many people to click on it as possible. You want to stand out from the rest. Before writing your ad, study your competitors' ads. Then write several different creative text ads, and test each one to see which one has the highest click-through rate. Step 4 The keyword list. The keyword list is crucial. The right list can be the difference between success and failure, so you will want to build the most efficient and focused keyword list. The more focused your keywords are, the more targeted and interested the visitors who click on your ads will be, resulting in more purchases. However, the more general your keyword list is, the more visitors not interested in what you are selling, and this can easily and quickly use up your advertising budget. Step 5 Setting your budget. Google will ask you what is the maximum you would like to spend, on average per day, and what is the maximum you are willing to pay each time someone clicks on your ad. Set your maximum budget at an affordable and comfortable level, and never spend more than your visitor is worth. These are the 5 basic steps to get you starting towards Google AdWords success. As you practice and gain experience with AdWords, you will keep improving your campaign's performance. And as your performance improves, you will get more targeted visitors that will result in more sales. Read more and get paid to write at press.kokoshungsan.net. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net